ॐ स्थापकाय च धर्मस्य सर्वधर्मस्वरूपिणे अवतारवरिष्ठाय रामकृष्णाय ते नमः। यथाग्ने दाहिका शक्तिः रामकृष्णे स्थिता हिया सर्वविद्यास्वरूपां तां शारदां प्रणमाम्यहम्। नमः श्रीयतिराजाय विवेकानन्दशूरये सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे। Dear devotees, on the auspicious occasion of Krishna Janmashtami, we are pleased to announce that a new website, rkmat.org, and new mobile app, RKMat Hyderabad, which you can download in your mobile's Play Store, we are launching today at this auspicious occasion. So I request all our devotees and well-wishers to make the best use of our online services, especially when we are facing difficult times due to the ongoing corona pandemic. You can watch our introduction video. So all the links are given in the description below the video.
To visit our website, type rkmat.org in the browser. You will land on our homepage. If you scroll down, you will be able to see information about Ramakrishna Math Hyderabad, our inspiration, upcoming events in the Math, our activities, option to donate, information about books and articles, subscription option to Sri Ramakrishna Prabha. VIHE is Vivekananda Institute of Human Excellence. Under VIHE, we have details of all the courses offered by the institute. Under hospital, we have details of Vivekananda Health Center run by Ramakrishna Math. Under VIOL, we have details of all the courses offered by Vivekananda Institute of Languages. Under each section, if you wish to explore more, click for more details. On the top, we have home, campus, activities, media, join us, contact us, and donate. By clicking on donate button, you will be able to donate to the activities and services offered by Ramakrishna Math. Thank you.
You can download our app by typing RKMat Hyderabad in Play Store. We have two modes, inner life and outer life. By clicking on inner life mode button, you can view all the content related to inner life. Under inner life, we have three categories: Holy Trio, Spiritual Life, and Ramakrishna Prabha. Similarly, when you click on outer life, we have four categories: VIOL, which is Vivekananda Institute of Languages, VIHE, which is Vivekananda Institute of Human Excellence, Celebrate Life, which has content related to celebrations, Seva and Friends, Ramakrishna Prabha, which is our monthly magazine. You can donate by clicking on the donate button. You can shop online at our website, which is vivekanandabookworld.com, by clicking on the shop online button. You can also view all our events by clicking on events. By downloading the app, you will be able to receive notification of all our events. Click on live button to view our live streaming content and know when our live streaming content is scheduled. These are all our categories. You will be able to view daily quotes. You will be able to view all our latest videos, which are uploaded almost regularly. You will also be able to read Telugu and English free ebooks by clicking on respective button. All our music album published by Ramakrishna Math Hyderabad, you will be able to listen by clicking on music album. You will be able to view all our photos by clicking on photo album tab. By clicking on our community button, You can subscribe to all our social networking channels, and to become a volunteer, you can click on the volunteer button and give your details and register yourself. You can also share this app by clicking on the top right corner button and choosing Share RKMat Hyderabad app. You can also leave us a feedback for further enhancement of the app. Thank you.